How to recover Gmail password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can recover Gmail password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you can either open up Google or Gmail in your device, since Google account is what is linked with your Gmail account. So once you have opened it up, now head towards your Gmail or simply your Google. If you're on your Google, tap on your profile icon at the top right. If you're on your Gmail, again tap on your profile icon at the top right. Here tap on add another account, then you'll be taken into sign in page. So once you're here, you have to type in the email address of the account that you would like to change your password for. For example, I would like to change password for this account, then click on next. In the next page, you will be prompted to enter your password. Since we want to recover our password, click on forget password link here in the sign in page. After that, if you have added your recovery phone number, then you have to enter your phone number, and on your phone number you will receive a verification code. So type in the verification code as prompted, and once you're verified, you'll be prompted into different pages where you can change your password. Type in your new password that you want to change to. Once you have changed your password, now you can log in with your new password. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.